Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Trying to figure out if someone's online on Snapchat? Let me show you two simple tricks. First of all, check their Snap map, open Snapchat, tap the map, and see if their bit emoji shows up. If it says just now, they are online. If they have turned off location sharing, though this won't work. Second, check your chat list. Open your chats and look for a blue dot next to their name. That means they are active. Want confirmation? Send them a quick snap. If it's opened right away, they are definitely online. Easy, right? Just be mindful of privacy settings and don't forget to snap responsibly. Thanks for watching.